Every single morning, billions of people wake up to the sound of an alarm they didn't ask for, to go to a job they didn't choose, to build a life they were told to want. The alarm goes off at 6, the coffee is made by 6:15, the commute begins by 7, the desk is warmed by 9, and the countdown starts 5 days a week, 48 weeks a year, for 30, 40, sometimes 50 years. We call it a career. We call it stability. We call it the responsible thing to do. But here is what nobody tells you at the beginning of that journey. The system was never designed for you to win. It was designed for you to participate, to show up, to consume, to pay taxes, to retire, and if you're lucky, to do it all without asking too many questions. And the cruelest part? Most people don't even realize they're in a trap until they're already 40 years deep. But some people figured it out early, not by working harder, not by grinding longer hours, not by being smarter or luckier, but by understanding one thing that school never taught them. Money has rules, and if you learn the rules, you stop being a player in someone else's game and start running your own. This video is not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's not about crypto gambling or lottery miracles. This is about smart money strategy, the kind that takes time, discipline, and a willingness to see the world differently. If you're ready to stop trading your time for someone else's profit, stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap, and you'll never look at your paycheck the same way again. Section 1. The Trap Explained. Let's talk about what the 9-to-5 really is. It's an exchange. You give your time, your most finite, irreplaceable resource, and in return, you get money. Seems fair, right? Except here's the problem. That money is immediately under attack the moment it hits your account. Rent, car payments, insurance, subscriptions, food, debt, taxes. By the time the dust settles, most people are left with barely enough to breathe, let alone to build. This cycle has a name. Economists call it the rat race. The idea that no matter how fast you run, you stay in the same place. Your income rises, but so does your lifestyle. Your expenses grow with your salary. And the gap between where you are and where you want to be never seems to close. There is even a term for this phenomenon. It's called lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more. A bigger apartment, a newer car, better holidays, and before you know it, that raise you worked so hard for has vanished into thin air, leaving your actual financial progress exactly where it was before. But here's what changes everything. The people who escape this cycle don't always earn more. Not at first. They simply direct their money differently. They follow a set of principles that the wealthy have used for generations. Principles that are not secrets, but are rarely taught. Section 2. The Smart Money Strategies. Now in this section, we're going to break down 4 simple yet highly effective strategies, practical steps that almost anyone can apply immediately, and that can genuinely help you step outside this cycle. Strategy 1. Pay yourself first, before the bills, before the subscriptions, before a single dollar goes to anyone else. A portion goes to you, into savings, into investments, into assets that will eventually replace your income. The rule is simple. Automate at least 20% of every paycheck into an account you don't touch. This is not about deprivation, it's about priority. You work hard. Your future self deserves to benefit before everyone else does. Strategy 2. The one income problem. One job means one source, and one source means one point of failure. If that job disappears tomorrow, through layoffs, automation, or illness, everything collapses. Smart money people diversify. They build side income through freelancing, digital products, content creation, or investments. Not all at once, but steadily, deliberately. Until one day the side becomes the main, and the job becomes optional. This doesn't mean quitting tomorrow. It means starting small today. One extra skill, one small freelance project, one simple online asset. At first, the results may look insignificant, but small streams create rivers over time, and rivers carve mountains. Consistency, not intensity, is what builds independence. Strategy 3. Passive income is real, but it takes work first. Everyone talks about passive income like it's a magic button. It's not, but it is real. Dividend stocks, rental income, digital products, royalties, online courses. These are income streams that, once built, continue generating money without your daily presence. The key is this: passive income is not free. It costs time, effort, or capital up front. But once running, it pays you without clocking in. And that is the closest thing to true financial freedom that most people will ever experience. Strategy 4. Stop saving, start investing. A savings account feels safe, but inflation is silent theft. Every year that your money sits idle, its purchasing power shrinks. The wealthy don't save, they invest into index funds, into real estate, into businesses, into assets that grow faster than inflation. You don't need to be an expert. You need to start. Even small, consistent investments, held over time, compound into something extraordinary. $100 invested today is worth far more in 20 years than $1,000 saved in a drawer. Section 3. The mindset shift. None of these strategies work without one thing: a fundamental shift in how you see yourself. As long as you believe that a steady paycheck is the goal, you will always be someone else's asset. But the moment you decide that your time, your skills, and your energy belong to your own vision, everything changes. You stop asking, "How do I keep my job?" and start asking, "How do I make my job optional?" That question changes everything. The most dangerous belief in the world is that you need permission to build wealth. You don't. You need knowledge, consistency, and the courage to start before you feel ready. Because the truth is, nobody ever feels fully ready. The people who escape the 9 to 5 are not the ones who waited for the perfect moment. They are the ones who started anyway. The 9 to 5 isn't evil. For many people, it's a necessary starting point. But it should be a launch pad, not a life sentence. Pay yourself first. Diversify your income. Build assets that work when you don't. Invest instead of hoard. And shift your identity from employee to architect of your own financial future. The escape isn't instant. It's a strategy. It's a decision you make every day with every dollar you earn. Every small choice, every time you choose to invest instead of impulse spend, every time you add a new skill instead of scrolling, is a vote for the life you actually want. And it starts right now. If this video gave you even one idea that changes how you think about money, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. We'll see you in the next one.